At exactly 12:01 in the morning today, the Commission on Elections started delivering boxes of automated counting machines out of their warehouse in Biñan, Laguna to their regional hubs throughout the country. These are the ACMs that have gone through testing and are ready to be used for the 2025 midterm elections.
Kinakailangan makapag first batch delivery tayo ng ating mga vote counting machine. Kinakailangan kasi nasusunod yung ating pong pagdi-deliver na eksaktong oras at schedule upang hindi tayo ma-delay. Kasi alam natin, 49 na araw na lang ay eleksyon na.
3,700 ACMs were initially deployed this morning to be delivered straight to their regional hubs in Kinapawan, Zamboanga, Iligan, and then Caraga.
Yung mga mauuna, yung mga malalayo para kung sakasakali mga kaaberya, at least secure na naandun sa mga hub natin.
The preparations of the poll body are just in time for the final testing and sealing for the election day. After the delivery of the first batch, COMELEC will then distribute contingency machines to the repair hubs.
Ngayon po, for the first time, meron din tayong 110 repair hub sa buong bansa. Dati ang repair hub natin sa Santa Rosa lang.
Aside from the Philippines, COMELEC will also distribute ACMs to different countries that will be using postal voting instead of internet voting. There are 16 countries that will receive machines and ballots.
Ayon sa overseas voting na ipadala na natin yan para sa ating pong mga diplomatic pouch. Minarapat po kasi namin na isabay sa mga diplomatic pouch para mas secured.
Meanwhile, yesterday, PDP Laban questioned COMELEC's decision to implement internet voting for overseas Filipinos. But the poll body said they are ready to answer the petition.
Sinasabi nila walang batas. Ang aming pong interpretasyon, yung pong Republic Act 10950, yung mismong amendment sa mismong batas natin patungkol sa overseas voting, ay nagsasabi na ang COMELEC can venture on other mode or modes of voting.
Luisa Erispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.